Hey guys, I got this huge package today, and I'm really excited. I'm gonna open it. Sorry, I want you guys to see my eyes. And it's my mini green jumbo penguin. I'm pretty sure those aren't really mini. Yeah, they gave me a huge bag. Those are pretty squishy. Yay! I got red bow. Pink bow. These are like, whoa, these are really big. Pink bow. They smell too. They smell weird. Like the normal face. And do I have the tongue sticking out? No, my hand. It's mine. They just come out fast, but they're squishy. No. She gave me so many. Sorry. I just like pulled them all out and then you guys will be so weird. Look at how many there are. That's crazy. So I have all the designs and they just come out fast, but they're still squishy. And I have a red bow. I know I do. Here's at least one. So yeah, let me just make sure I have more than one red bow because I love the red bow. Come on, please. Pink bow. Am I gonna just have one red bow again? So I don't know if the red bow will be for sale. So I don't want it to be unfair. But yeah, here they all are. Woohoo! These are $2.50. So yeah. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!